Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're desperate for extra hanging space, check out this garment rack from Exglobol. Now, what I love about this especially is that it's customizable. So we have placed it in a corner, so we have it in the L shape, but you can use it as one unit across one wall. You could even split it up. You can adjust the height of the different shelving. It's nice and sturdy, so you know how heavy snowsuits are. This holds all of our stuff without any issues at all. It gives us a spot at the bottom for boots. There are corner shelves, so I can put all sorts of things in there. A top rack, which is awesome for luggage or baskets or whatever you need. On the sides, there's these hooks, so I really like that for the dog's leash, the dog's bag, my purse even. We have it in black. It's a nice powder coated metal, so it maintains its appearance. It does take some time to put it together. It is definitely better to do it with two people, but my husband did most of this by himself. The instructions were clear. The packaging was awesome. Everything was really well labeled, so that helped a ton. It has these little clips that go on so that you can adjust exactly to the height that you need. So overall, this was exactly what we needed. So if you are needing extra hanging space, extra storage space in general, for any room in your house, your closet, whatever, I think you'll be thrilled with this one, and that's my point of view.